Basketball, my voice is back. I had to take a break. Voice was a little raspy, but you already know that. But I'm back and I'm ready to go. I hope you are too. And let's get started. Oh yeah, we are going to get into none other than shooting. We're going to go with level shooting right away. Let's start with the layup. From the layup, we're going to get that free throw up. And then after that, we're going to get that 3-point up. Remember, we're going on the right side. We're going to do it 3 times. And then we're going to go on the left side. We're going to do it 3 times. It's going to get us nice and warm. And then we got all around the world. Oh yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going to go all around the world, okay? Then we're going to go with form shooting, okay? After we go to form shooting, we're going to get right back into it. Star drill, okay? Star drill in the mid-range. And then after we go mid-range, we are going to go to star shooting at the 3-point range. Oh yeah, I'm talking fast. We moving fast and we getting everything in because we're not trying to be last. Let's go, basketball. I'm hyped. I'm ready. My voice is back and I'm ready to go. I'm ready to get you going. Okay. And then after we shoot all of these things, remember 3 sets of everything. We're going 3 sets of everything today. It's all shooting. Then after that, you're going to go 3-point shooting. Okay. We got the wing. We got the top of the key. We got the other wing. And we are going to be getting buckets. And then after you get those buckets, we are then going to the free throw line, because those buckets are the most important buckets, because nobody's on you and we've got to make them, because you can win or lose a game if you're not making your free throws at a high rate. That is, if you are getting to the rim and making free throws or layups even, right? And we'll get into that next. But I also want to work that bank shot. So we're going to work on a quick bank shooting drill. Okay. That's, again, it's like the 3 levels when we do the bank. Then we're doing 3 sets of that. So 3 sets on the right side, 3 sets on the left. All right. Then after, I want you to shoot the 3-point version of around the world, but you're going all the way around the perimeter. We're not going to do 3 sets here. We're going to go with 2 sets. Okay, so you're going to go all the way around, all the way back, take a break. You can go to the free throw line, shoot a quick 5 free throws. And then we're going to go all the way around and all the way back again. Plenty of shots currently in everything that I'm telling you. And we're moving fast here today. Hopefully, just this section right here doesn't take the whole workout time for you. It's very hard to make shots and get all the way around, but we're trying to get better. So if you do get stuck just with this portion of shooting, or you get stuck on a certain shooting drill, I'm okay with that. That means we need to keep working at it. If you continue to make shots and you keep moving forward, then I got more in store for you. So go ahead and get that water break, and then let's get back to it. You already know how we do it. So now, looking at your shot, looking at your form, you got to figure out, am I shooting the ball consistently? Am I seeing it going consistently? And if I'm not, then what am I doing wrong? I am making shots, or I am missing them to the left, missing them to the right, back rim, short rim, air ball, hitting the backboard. What is the problem with my shot? So that is what you want to figure out while you're shooting, okay? Also, as we proceed to give you what you need, oh yeah, gotta have to use the Diddy line. I love it. We're going to go into more short range stuff real quick, and that is going to be floaters. So we want to get 3 makes off the glass and then no glass on the right side, and then in the middle, and then we also want to work the left side. Okay, so we're going to work our floaters. Then we're going to backtrack again, and we're going to go with the footwork layups. Okay, after we get our footwork layups in, we're going 5 spot layups. Remember, that is from the baseline to the wing, and also top of the key, wing, and then baseline. All right, don't forget that we are trying to go full speed, okay? Because the one thing that you see when you go full speed with layups in game, especially younger guys, and I mean I still see older guys do it, you throw it off that backboard like you're lobbing it to somebody for a dunk, but really there's nobody behind you. So you gotta be careful when you do that, okay? Work on that soft touch while going fast. All right, 3 sets of everything, all the footwork you're gonna go through, make that 3 sets. All right, then we're gonna go with the Mikans. Okay, you got your Mikans regular, and then you got your Mikans reverse. Okay, then after the reverse Mikans, we're gonna go with just makes. Okay, so this one is gonna be a quick 15 set 2 times. Okay, quick 15 set 2 times. So you go 15 on the right side, 15 on the left, 15 on the right, 15 on the left. Okay, then we're going to shoot free throws. Okay, shoot about 15 free throws, making those. Okay, feeling good about those. And then we will get water again, because I know that is quite the amount of running after your ball, especially if you can't shoot it. But it's okay, because that's the whole reason we're doing so much shooting today, so that you get better at it. And one thing that we're going to do to get you right to be a better shooter when running around is conditioning. Oh yes, I didn't forget, and I hope you didn't either. It's time. We're about to get back to the grind. All right, so one thing that I want when we start conditioning, okay, I'm going to have you do agility first to really warm up those legs and get them moving and going. Even though we've been running, I know at some point you guys have been jogging. So we're going to get those feet going again, okay? So we got our quick feet taps, okay? So we're going to go quick feet, tapping in, tapping out. Okay, then we got 2 feet simultaneously going. Then we have our side to side. Okay, and then we have our short step over hurdles. Okay, where you're stepping in, stepping out. All right, and then I want to go speed skaters. After we go speed skaters, I want to go right into a liner. After a liner, I want to go into D slides and a sprint. Then after that, I want to go on a quick 17. So you're going to do that whole circuit 3 times, and you are going to love it. Because if you don't remember what I said in past workouts, are you in shape? Are you in the best shape? Can you make plays while you're tired? Are you working as hard as you can? And you can slash that with, are you the hardest working person on the floor? Okay? All these things combined will make you a great basketball player. Conditioning is the number 1 skill that is overlooked, aside from dribbling the ball and making a layup, let alone even make a pass. I'm going to have to get up against a brick wall here in the gym and show you guys some passing drills. Someone did ask me about that to become a better passer. Now, you don't have a moving target to throw it to, but there are ways to incorporate passing, and we will incorporate that in our warm-up drill. So be ready for that. Basketball U, I hope you enjoyed another workout. And again, I cannot wait to see you guys again tomorrow. The basketball season has been good so far. I hope it's been good to you. And keep checking out that NBA, because the underdog is reigning at the top of the Western Conference right now. And like I said, if you're in shape, the best shape, and you can make plays while you're tired, you will see success. That's all I got for you guys today. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?